Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are expected. The analysis of the 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20.97% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -28.44% and -18.89%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month forecast projects a decrease of around 30.17%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from -35.83% to -1.96% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $66.42 and $101.48. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Tuesday trading session. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price declined by 1.03% on the last day, Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, dropping from $104.59 to $103.51. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.53%, ranging from a low of $102.98 to a high of $104.55. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.74% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator as volume should generally align with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 17 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.71 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $187.69, while the lowest was $94.73. Currently, the price stands 44.85% or $84.18 below the 52-week high and 54.46% or $123.79 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is navigating a challenging environment but showing potential for growth. Recently, AMD's stock has taken a hit, down approximately 14% year-to-date, closing at $103.73. Despite this downturn, there are promising indicators on the horizon. AMD is expanding its EPYC portfolio, which positions the company favorably against competitors like NVIDIA in the data center and artificial intelligence sectors. With an increasing partner base, AMD is poised to capitalize on the growth in artificial intelligence, a sector projected to see soaring investments, expected to reach $632 billion by the year 2028. The sentiment around AMD seems to be shifting as it looks to reclaim graphics processing unit market share lost during the initial artificial intelligence boom. Investor interest has notably increased, which could provide the momentum needed for a price rebound. Short-term fluctuations may still present risks, particularly as NVIDIA continues to dominate the market. However, if AMD successfully expands its artificial intelligence capabilities and retakes market share, we could see a significant positive impact on its stock price in the long run. As the company continues to attract attention and forge partnerships, its potential upside looks sturdy, making it an important player to watch in the year 2025 and beyond. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo also assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. Earlier on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, KeyBank assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 7.12%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $107.40. If the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $100.19. A breakthrough above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add a further sell signal and reinforce the general sentiment. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 95 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 89 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $100.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.58 between its high and low, which represents a change of 1.53%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.61%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 93 cents. Keep a close eye on these figures, as they can considerably influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $112.01. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $100.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On March 12th, 2025, Elizabeth Vanderslice conducted an insider sale of 12,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Elizabeth Vanderslice also conducted an insider purchase of 12,000 shares of common stock. On December 4th, 2024, Lisa Su conducted an insider purchase of 76,496 shares of common stock. On that same day, Lisa Su conducted an insider sale of 28,218 shares of common stock. Additionally, on December 4th, 2024, Lisa Su conducted another insider sale of 30,299 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.091. Overall, insiders purchased 971,875 shares and sold 1,358,479 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices shows several negative signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of March, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open higher by approximately 16 cents, starting at $103.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.